Hello, and welcome back to Baby We Eat. Today we are making Zuppa Toscana soup. For our ingredients, we have Italian sausage. You could use spicy or mild. Butter, diced onions, minced garlic, chicken broth, water, potatoes, salt, pepper, heavy whipping cream, chopped kale, bacon or bacon bits, and grated Parmesan cheese for the topping. Those are optional. In a large pot, you want to saute your sausage anywhere from 5 to 6 minutes until brown. Once your sausage is brown, you want to transfer it to a plate and set aside. In the same pot, you want to add your butter and saute your onions over medium heat or until translucent. You want to add your chicken broth, your water, your potatoes, your salt, and your pepper. You want to bring that to a boil and boil until your potatoes are tender. Once your potatoes are tender, you want to add back your sausage, your heavy cream, and stir in your kale. You want to add salt and pepper if needed. And we served it with grated Parmesan cheese on the top and a little bit of bacon. We have made Zuppa Toscana soup. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eats. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.